of a limit to India. Only in FTO case, yes, you can just limit your search to the India if you are entering into the commercial mode and all that thing. But otherwise, I will say that if you are thinking of a filing of a patent, that is application of a patent, application filing, if you are in that stage, and if at that stage you are just thinking of India, it is like you are going on the wrong direction. You have to think of a novelty at a world, means whether it is first time in the world, that you have to check when you are thinking in that. I am not knowing exactly in which stage you are. If you are patent filing, you have to do the worldwide stage, worldwide search, and if you are in a FTO kind of a commercialization stage, then yes, FTO, a very limited search limited to India you have to do. That kind of activity you can do. Now, how you are going to do that thing? You know that a patent searching in RFPC we have one of the kind of a module dedicated on that, how you can and we have given you the patent databases also, and by using that patent databases you can do the kind of a search, and you will get the idea whether it is really patented in India or anywhere in the world. Whatever your context is, accordingly you can do the that search and you can see the search report. So, that way you will get the idea whether it is really novel or not, and then you have to take a further decision based on that particular thing. Paid and public databases are there, and eSpaceNet, I will say that is a very good database. You can use it for the searching, and that way you can get. And if for India specifically you have to do, you have to go on IP India site, and there you have to do the public search specific to the patent, whether it is a published or a granted. You have to choose that particular thing, and you will get a data that whether it is patented in India or not. If you are very specific to the India, IP India is a website, there you can do the search. And if worldwide you want to do, I will suggest go for a eSpaceNet, and that will give that will help you to get the novel.